Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback rear no-drill mud flaps on a 2017 Toyota Tundra. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your truck. And better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. First, identify and remove the factory screws on the inner fender and push pin on the underside of the mud flap as shown. Remove the factory mudguard and reinstall the factory push pin. Next, take the provided support bracket and install it on the existing factory bolts located on the rearward side of the wheel tub as shown, using 2 supplied flange nuts. Next, loosely install the mud flap to the inner fender using 5 stainless screws and 5 stainless washers. Then, loosely install the inner mud flap hole to the support bracket using the supplied bolt and stainless washer, and secure it with a stainless washer, lock washer, and nut. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. Carefully tighten all screws and double check that the mud flap is still level. Note, do not over tighten, as over tightening may strip the plastic factory inserts. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flap kit. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.